In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set all image or photo durations to the same length in CapCut. If you've ever added a bunch of photos to a CapCut project and noticed that each one stays on screen for a slightly different amount of time, it can make your video feel uneven and hard to control. The good news is, you don't need to manually adjust every single photo. CapCut has a simple way to make all your images share the exact same duration. And that's what we'll walk through together. First, open CapCut on your device and start a new project. Or open an existing one where you've already added your photos. If you're starting fresh, tap to create a new project, and then select all the images you want to use from your gallery. Don't worry yet about how long they appear. Just get them all onto the timeline. Once your photos are on the timeline, take a moment to zoom in or out on the timeline so you can clearly see each clip. This makes it easier to confirm the changes you're about to make. At this point, you might notice that some clips are longer than others. That's exactly what we're going to fix. Look for one of your image clips on the timeline and tap to select it. When it's selected, you'll see editing options appear at the bottom of the screen. Among these options, there should be a setting that lets you adjust the duration of the selected clip, usually shown in seconds. Change this duration to the exact length you want all of your photos to be. For example, maybe you want each image to last 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or a bit longer for a slideshow style. After you set the duration for that first image, the key step is to apply this same duration to all the other photos. In CapCut, this is typically done by using an Apply to All or similarly worded option that appears once you've adjusted the duration. Tap that, and CapCut will automatically match every image clip on your timeline to the duration you just set. Now, play back your video from the beginning. You should see that each photo appears for the same amount of time, creating a smooth, consistent rhythm. If it feels too fast or too slow, simply repeat the process. Select one image, adjust the duration, apply it to all, and preview again. That's all you need to do to set all image or photo durations the same in CapCut, giving your video a clean and professional look with minimal effort.